Hello guys, welcome to Day by Pega. In this video, we are going to see about the visibility rule in Pega. As this visibility rule is known for its name, it's give the condition or control for the visibility of a rule in Pega. It's applicable to text input, pick list, and even it's applicable for whole section too. Let's explore it practically by viewing the visibility option in rules. For example, name is one rule which is in the text input. It has some visibility options always, if not blank, if not zero, condition expression, and condition when. Uh, if you go through for the payment method, it's in pick list, which is in drop down option. It has some all three options alone: always, condition expression, and condition when rule alone. Let me explain one by one. In always option, it will always display that particular field in the rule if it has some other options too, if not blank and if not zero, which means that particular field is not blank, then only it will display that value. Let me explain with some scenario. In online, if you purchase something in online, in that time you need to generate bill for that particular item, no. In that particular bill, if the customer order for less than 500 means the shipping charges may not include. If the customer purchase for greater than 500 means you need to include that shipping charges in that bill, in that field. In these conditions, we can use if not blank and if not zero options. Uh, Let me show you. This name field is not blank and it has some default value as hello. And in this enter field, the dispute rule is if not blank. Let me know in command, just pass this video and let me know in command which rule will be there in execution while we running case. Enter email or name. Which rule will display in which rule will display while we running. Let me save and run this test case. Save and run. Here name field and UPI alone shown. Why the email field is not shown? Enter email field because it's in visibility condition if not blank. Since there is no value in enter email field, it's not shown. uh, Name field have some default value and it have some visibility condition as if not blank, since it's shown. Next, let me explain that other two option: condition expression and condition expression and condition when rule. Let me explain this condition expression in another example. If the payment method is having some drop downs like online and COD, you need to select give the visibility condition to UPI ID only if the customer choose online payment mode alone. For it, I use the condition expression. I am creating the condition by clicking this gear icon. In this condition, I am giving if payment method is equal to online, then it need to visible. Submitting and I save. Now let me run the test case. Here it's showing drop down as online and COD. If I click online, the UPI ID will shown. It's example for this condition expression. Let me explain it with condition when rule also. If I choose the condition when rule, I need to add the when rule. For it, I need to select create on when rule. Let me create as when. Just a moment. It will, I am setting condition as fields. In this fields, I am giving the I am selecting the payment method is equal to. I am clicking this gear icon and selecting type as choices. It will show the both drop down option. If the user click the payment method as online, this vendor will awake. Now I created the vendor. Let me call it. Let me call my vendor here in this visibility condition and click on submit. Save here and now save and run. If I choose online payment, UPI ID will visible. Actually, this UPI ID will not visible if you don't give this display refresh option in payment method. In payment method under action, you need to give the add an event as change and add an action as uh, refresh the section. Then only it will show like this. If you click online here, when you change to next tab, it will automatically save that particular payment method as online. Then the UPI ID will show. Okay guys, that's it. Hope you got some insights on visibility condition. Thanks for watching my videos guys. Take care. Bye.